fast essay, notes, everything is there in e-zone. Just simply copy down. The most reliable method for the estimation of evaporation from large water bodies is that by measurement from evaporation pans. By measurements from the evaporation pans. Figure shows in the bracket to write refer notes. Figure shows one such evaporation pan. Figure shows one such evaporation pan recommended by IS 5973 1970. Right now, this evaporation pan is a modified version of US Weather Bear Class A pan. US United States Weather Class A pan. Okay. US United States Weather BUREAU. CBI. What is the CBI? Central Bureau. Okay, I'll write about that. 1 minute or just write down. The pan. Next para. Refer figure from the notes. Okay. The pan 1.22 meter in diameter here. The pan 1.22 meter in diameter. The pan 1.22 meter in diameter and 0.255 meter deep. Okay, the pan 1.22 meter in diameter and 0.255 meter deep is made of 0.9 mm thick copper sheet. Is made up of 0.9 mm thick copper sheet with hexagonal wire netting. With hexagonal wire netting. For this what I told her? For this word I use one more word. What is that word I use? Perforated screens. They are nothing but hexagonal wire netting of galvanized iron mesh galvanized wire mesh covering it to protect water from birds. And also to make the water temperature more uniform. And also to make the water temperature more uniform. During day and night. Okay. directly I am going to tell you how this is going to do it. Right now, Direct I will come to the formula. Now you take only the point, those particular points. Okay. Water level in the pan is recorded by a point. So, okay, I am going to read it. As I told you, the water is being poured into this particular pan. The water is being poured into this particular pan. Then what is going to happen? The temperature of the water is noted, and the level of the water is being maintained. And also the water is being also protected from the galvanized sheet perforated. All the things will be there. Then when it is kept open to the sky, what is going to happen? The sun rays falls over it, sun radiation will start, then finally the water gets evaporated, and the difference in the water level between the original and the after 4 hours or 6 hours or whatever that, it is going to give you the net evaporation loss. It is going to give you then right now. You write now lake. If you are keeping this pan near the lake, lake evaporation equal to important. This is going to come for this exam for 8 marks. Lake evaporation equal to tan coefficient into pan evaporation. This is a formula, empirical formula to measure lake evaporation, of course in mm, equal to pan coefficient multiplied by pan evaporation. Then now the pan coefficient for the Indian standard evaporator, the word you read. The pan coefficient for the Indian standard evaporimeter, this one, it is 0.8. The pan coefficient for the Indian standard evaporator is around 0.8 meter. Sorry, no meter, only 0.8. The pan coefficient for the Indian standard evaporimeter is around 0.8. Now, coming back to the things, measurement, next one, use of empirical equations. These are the formulas, very important. In the last example they asked for 8 marks, simply writing the formula of the Mayers and the Rose. Let's go. Okay. There are large number of empirical equations. Write it fast. I say there are large number of empirical equations. For estimating the. There are large number of empirical equations for estimating the evaporation loss. First one, number 1, Mayer's formula or Mayer's equation, both are same. Mayer's formula. This was given in 1950s, very recently. Right now, Mayer's. Hey, don't talk. Say. What is the fun in taking your class, even though it is not my class? Right now, Mayer's, it is equal to E equal to Km into ES by ES minus A. This one I already told you, I think. ES minus A I already told you the previous equation. Just look back. Into square bracket, it is 1 plus Vg by 16. This It's a mass equation. Important. Where ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು ಗುರು 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 ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು who is that? Don't do that, I say. Don't talk. Where E equal to, you write it. Where E equal to, capital E equal to, but यार टाइम कैसे नहीं लेगा? क्या टाइम है? मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ मैं अभी क्लास है. Where E equal to evaporation from the water body, right? Where E equal to evaporation from the water body in, what is the unit? In something just now I told her. What is that? In I have not told her. What's that? M per J. Evaporation from the water body in mm per day. ES equal to saturation vapor pressure at the water surface temperature, saturation vapor pressure at the water surface temperature, saturation vapor pressure at the water surface temperature in mm of mercury, in mm of mercury. In mm of mercury. Then right now ES actual vapor pressure, these are all there in the E zone, don't worry, whatever I have written, they are all in the E zone. EA actual vapor pressure of overlying area, actual vapor pressure of overlying air, not air, overlying air at the specified height, overlying air at the specified height, how much? In the bracket you write 9 meters, at the specified height, in the bracket you write 9 meters, in mm of mercury, in mm of mercury. VG monthly mean wind velocity. Come Dharamshala. Monthly mean wind velocity. I think college timing has changed, huh? I don't know, anytime it can be changed, no? So it's very difficult for the boys and girls